Hi, my name is Victor and welcome to the channel. In the previous videos, we detailed the complete outside of this car from top to bottom. Now it's time to detail the interior. Now if you guys come in and check out the interior, the car is only about a month old, so there's nothing major with it. There are at the bottom, my friend does have a daughter. There's some marks and scuffs on the bottom. If you guys do hear baby during this episode, it's because my daughter is behind the camera with my wife. So, yeah, dad life. But there's some marks here and there on the door, scuffs on the back. We walk around to the driver's side. Some more scuffs and marks on the back of the seat. And in the driver's seat, it's where it's the most dirtiest. So basically we're gonna be doing a quick vacuum obviously on this car and address all those problems. First, I'm gonna start with cleaning the rubber floor mats. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and I'm gonna wash them with some water and soap. Let's get those out. We're gonna use Adam's all-purpose cleaner. I found I like using a all-purpose cleaner because it's stronger than water and soap to take out any dirt and grime. And also I've noticed that when I use the all-purpose cleaner, it gives it a nice, rich, deep matte look afterwards, after the rubber mats dry. And I also have a soft hair brush here to scrub them. I'm gonna go ahead and start washing them. I just finished cleaning the floor mats. Also, while I was off camera, I already vacuumed the interior and I blew off the instrument cluster and interior as well with compressed air to blow out any loose dirt or dust. So now what I'm gonna do is, what's left to do is I have to clean the windows, I have to clean the seats, dash, instrument cluster, and the door panels. For the lower door panels around here, you can see the scuff marks from kicking. I'm gonna use Nextzett plastic deep cleaner. And I also use this over here for the entry. This does a very good job of taking off the scuffs. It cleans the plastic, it adds a UV protectant, and it does not leave any grease or any residue. It makes the plastic look OEM. To clean the upper half of the door panels, this leather, the seats, instrument cluster, and also the, can't think of what that's called right now, but the dash, I'm gonna use the Nextzett Cockpit Premium. This does a good job at cleaning it. Again, it does not leave any residue. It leaves a UV protectant on there, so it protects the leather from the sun. This is also very good to clean your steering wheel, and it leaves a nice matte OEM look finish. So let's get started. I just finished detailing the inside of the car. Now come take a look and see how it turned out. Now it looks completely like new. What I like about those products is, as you guys can tell, it gives it a nice OEM look with no grease, no shine, just a satin, nice dark look. And if you guys want to check out in the back where all those scuffs were and all those marks, it's completely gone as well. All the scuffs are in the back of that seat. Nextzett was ever, I think I'm pronouncing that right, but Nextzett took that completely off. And the interior is brought back to its factory look. All right, guys, you made it through the whole detailing process of what I like to do when I get a new or used car. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm tired and I'm beat. I'm about to take the car outside so you guys can go ahead and take a look of how everything turned out in the sun. See you in a sec.